Hello and welcome. You're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. We come to you right in front of the Vidhan Sabha in Patna. Stunning this evening, resplendent. And our top story comes in from Patna. Even though electioneering has moved way beyond just what manifestos are all about. Well, today, Patna and Bihar was all about the manifesto release of the NDA. It was a quick 60-second press conference. But what it has also lent itself to is the comparison of two manifestos, that of the NDA and that of the Mahagathbandhan. Having said that, the NDA had already made enough promises before the manifesto has come in. The Mahagathbandhan has put forth its own Sankalp Patra or manifesto. Here is a comparison of both manifestos of the Mahagathbandhan and the NDA this season.
Less than a week to go for possibly the most unpredictable elections Bihar has seen in recent history. And perhaps in a telling indicator of how tumultuous the road so far has been, the NDA manifesto or the Sankalp Patra has finally been released. As expected, the focus is heavily on financially empowering women and generating jobs for the youth, two sections of the electorate who are likely to be game changers for Mandate 2025.
हर युवा को नौकरी और रोजगार देना, 1 करोड़ से अधिक सरकारी नौकरी रोजगार प्रदान करना, 1 करोड़ महिलाओं को लखपति दीदी बनाने का काम बिहार की सरकार, बिहार एनडीए का संकल्प पत्र हम लोगों ने रखा है.
Promises that were immediately dismissed by the opposition's chief minister candidate as a jumla. Listen in to Tejashwi Yadav.
हर सेक्टर में जो है ये सरकार फेल रही, इसलिए इनको सॉरी पत्र लाना चाहिए था. और अगर इनका 20 साल का जो झूठा जुमला अगर आप लोग देखें, जो वादे इन्होंने किए थे 20 साल से, हर घोषणा पत्र 20 साल तक का जितना इन्होंने घोषणा पत्र लाया है, वो घोषणा पत्र भी कहता हुआ कि हमारा क्या हुआ.
But what was more important in the manifesto was the messaging. For the first time, the 5 key constituents of the NDA, or the Panch Pandav as has been touted, together on the same stage, trying to dispel criticism of a rift within the ruling alliance.
एनडीए ने एक साथ मिलकर संकल्प व्यक्त किया है. हम संकल्प व्यक्त कर रहे हैं कि बिहार को बहुत आगे हम ले जाएंगे. यहाँ समाज के सभी वर्गों के लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं, करते रहेंगे. गरीबों के लिए, किसानों के लिए, नौजवानों के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए, सबके लिए, सबका साथ सबका विकास जो हमारा पुराना संकल्प है, उसी संकल्प पर बिहार को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे.
But the opposition continues to highlight the cracks within the government, especially their perceived reluctance in throwing the full weight behind Nitish Kumar as the NDA CM face even after winning elections.
मैनिफेस्टो इम्पोर्टेंट घटना होती है चुनाव के अंदर. उसमें आप खाली मुंह दिखाने के लिए आगे भागे सब लोग. इतना क्यों डरते हैं मीडिया से? तो ये समझ के परे हम लोग पर ये संकेत मिलता है डेमोक्रेसी में इनका विश्वास नहीं. मेरा आरोप इनके ऊपर ये है. ये मुखौटा पहने हुए हैं डेमोक्रेसी का.
So the die has been cast and the stage is set for polling to begin on the 6th. Will the difference between the two warring alliances come down to the fine print of the promises made in their manifestos, or will it be a verdict on the perception battle of the unity? Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, let's move on to our ground reports now. In Bihar, it is clearly a high-stake battle, and one name that finds resonance strangely from all political quarters and sides is Jan-Nayak Karpuri Thakur, who's just been given the Bharat Ratna. Well, we travel to Samastipur, Morwa, where which now, of course, is the constituency of Dr. Jagruti Thakur. Jagruti Thakur is the granddaughter of Karpuri Thakur, who was picked up from the footnotes of history and practically made the fulcrum of this election where personalities are concerned. Dr. Jagruti Thakur has entered the political arena, a young face carrying the weight of the legacy of her grandfather, Karpuri Thakur, and she is fighting this election under the banner of Jan Swaraj. Here we caught up with her.
In a major political move, Prashant Kishore's Jan Swaraj party has fielded Jagruti Thakur, granddaughter of Bihar's first non-Congress chief minister, Karpuri Thakur, from Morwa in Samastipur. The seat, Thakur's home turf, is now the stage for a high-stakes legacy battle. But Jan Swaraj isn't alone in claiming Thakur's mantle. The NDA and Mahagathbandhan are already locked in a tug-of-war over his legacy. Nitish Kumar projects himself as Jan Nayak Thakur's political heir, showcasing his social justice initiatives. RJD, on the other hand, insists that its Mandal-era politics carries forward Thakur's vision. There is a battle to lay claim on his Jan Nayak title as well. BJP, on the other hand, keeps reminding voters how Congress opposed Karpuri Thakur during his rule and lifetime. Jan Swaraj has taken this battle for Jan Nayak Karpuri Thakur's legacy a step forward. With the original Bihar EBC leader's granddaughter fighting on its ticket, Morwa has turned into the new epicenter of Bihar's political identity war. Bureau Report, India Today.
डॉक्टर जागृति ठाकुर, जो लेगेसी आप कैरी करती हैं, जो आपके ग्रैंडफादर जो के दादा की लेगेसी है, कैसे देखती हैं उसे, कैसे आगे बढ़ाएंगे?
दादाजी की लेगेसी को सबसे पहले तो आपके चैनल के माध्यम से हम सारे अपने बिहार और समस्त देशवासियों को नमस्कार करते हैं। और जहां तक बात है दादाजी की लेगेसी को आगे लेके जाना, लेगेसी को तो आगे लेके जाना ही था, लेकिन उनके सिद्धांतों, उनकी विचारधारा को भी आगे बढ़ाना था। कहने के लिए तो सारे लोग हैं कि हम कर्पूरी ठाकुर के सिद्धांत पे चलते हैं, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई सिद्धांत पे चलते हैं। एक कर्पूरी ठाकुर ही ऐसे थे जो 2 कपड़े में अपना पूरा विधानसभा का जीवन व्यतीत कर चुके हैं, तो उस विचारधारा और उस सिद्धांत को आज तक कोई फॉलो नहीं किया। चुनावी माहौल है, सब जननायक का नाम लेते हैं, जननायक की भूमि को नमन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब चुनाव नहीं था तो कभी किसी को जननायक की याद नहीं आई, उनकी विचारधारा की याद नहीं आई कि जननायक ने कितनी कठिनाइयों से बिहार की, और खासकर ये मोरवा विधानसभा जो उनका कर्म भूमि रहा है। आप खुद देख रही हैं कि जो यहाँ की जनता है उनका जर्जर स्थिति हो चुका है जी। इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं अपने दादा की जो विचारधारा उसको लेके आगे बढ़ूं।
कभी सोचा था कि राजनीति में एंटर करेंगी, चुनाव लड़ेंगी?
सोचा तो नहीं था, लेकिन
किसने कन्विंस किया?
कन्विंस कुछ किसी ने नहीं किया, मेरी अंतरात्मा ने कहा कि नहीं, बिहार को मेरी जरूरत है, मोरवा की जनता को मेरी जरूरत है। जन्मभूमि पे तो सब आ रहे थे, लेकिन कर्म भूमि जो अधूरा छूटते जा रहा था, जननायक का नाम छूटते जा रहा था, उसको पूरा करना था।
तो डॉक्टर तो आप है ही
जी,
पर राजनीतिक फील्ड में एंट्री करना
जी,
क्योंकि प्रशांत किशोर ने पूछा इसीलिए, या शुरू से ही मन था?
मेरा शुरू से ही मन था, और प्रशांत भैया एक ऐसा विचारधारा लेके आए कि मुझे लगा कि मैं इस ऐसे अभियान में जुड़ूं कि जो एक बिहार बदलने का बात कर रहे हैं, शिक्षा, पलायन, सारी चीजों पे बात कर रहे हैं, जो अहम मुद्दे हैं जो कर्पूरी ठाकुर उठाया करते थे। जिंदगी भर कर्पूरी ठाकुर ने इसी तमाम मुद्दों पे ही राजनीति की है और उन्हें सफल किया है।
कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, कोई भी राजनीतिक दल अभी ऐसा नहीं है जो कर्पूरी ठाकुर को मानता नहीं है। नीतीश कुमार, लालू प्रसाद, राहुल गांधी तक सब उनको नमन करते हैं। तो आपको लगता है जो आइडियोलॉजी है वो सिर्फ आपकी या जन स्वराज की नहीं, सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी उसको अप्रोप्रिएट कर रही है?
मुझे लगता है कि अभी आइडियोलॉजी सिर्फ जन स्वराज की है। कहते तो सारे पार्टी वाले हैं कि हम उनके विचारधारा पे चल रहे हैं, उनके शिष्य हैं, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई उनकी आइडियोलॉजी को फॉलो कर रहा है। बस नाम लेते हैं लेकिन काम उनके जैसा कोई नहीं करते हैं। आप नाम ना लें लेकिन कर्पूरी के सिद्धांतों पे चले, उनकी विचारधारा को फॉलो करें।
डॉक्टर जागृति ठाकुर, अगर मान लीजिए, चलिए अगर मान लीजिए आप ये चुनाव हार जाती हैं, क्या आप डटी रहेंगी?
बिल्कुल।
क्या आप मोरवा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में ही रहेंगी, काम करती रहेंगी अगले चुनाव तक, या इस बार आएंगे तो चलेगा?
मैं जीतूं या हारूं, मेरा संकल्प है कि मैं मोरवा की जनता के साथ हमेशा रहूंगी।
एक आखिरी सवाल करूंगी महिलाओं के लिए। एक महिलाएं एक बहुत बड़ा वोट बैंक मान लीजिए, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी मान लीजिए, आधा बिहार है
जी।
महिलाओं के लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक करना चाह रही हैं, क्योंकि आप एक महिला खुद है, उनको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगी?
जी, मैं महिलाओं की आवाज बनूंगी।
कैसे?
उनकी हर परेशानी, उनकी हर तकलीफ की आवाज बनूंगी और जो सहयोग हो सके मैं करूंगी।
क्या करेंगी सबसे पहले? विजन क्या है?
सबसे पहले तो शिक्षा पे सुधार करेंगे। अगर शिक्षा का सुधार हुआ तो आधा बिहार खुद सुधर जाएगा, और उसके लिए महिला को भी शिक्षित होना बहुत जरूरी है।
सबसे पहले ये करेंगे
जी।
चलिए बस आखिरी सवाल एक फिर करूंगी कि छोड़ेंगी नहीं?
बिल्कुल नहीं,
कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है
परिणाम
ठाकुर एक चुनाव के लिए आई, लड़ ली
जी नहीं,
और चली गई?
जी नहीं, परिणाम जो भी हो डटे रहेंगे।
अगला चुनाव
बिल्कुल
अगला चुनाव
बिल्कुल, और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि मोरवा की जनता मुझे पूर्ण आशीर्वाद देगी।
बहुत शुक्रिया जागृति जी, थैंक यू सो मच। In Bihar's election battleground, legacy and lineage goes a long way. While there is legacy and lineage when it comes down to political lineage and legacy, there is also another legacy in Bihar, and that comes from the strongmen of Bihar, the Bahubalis, the controversial side of Bihar politics, many in the fray this time. And strangely, some of their daughters and sons also in the fray. We caught up with Lalganj candidate who's fighting on an RJD ticket, Shivani Shukla, who is the daughter of Munna Shukla, local don, strongman Bahubali, who is in jail today. And strangely, Shivani Shukla, who has come in from Leeds, studied from Leeds University, a product of DPS RK Puram in Delhi, educated, qualified with a law degree, has strangely no inhibitions to embrace her father's Bahubali legacy.
शिवानी शुक्ला जिंदाबाद, शिवानी शुक्ला जिंदाबाद, शिवानी शुक्ला जिंदाबाद, अल्टेन छाप जिंदाबाद।
Shivani, what made you decide that you wanted to fight this election?
When suddenly my name was brought up, and my mother and especially the people of this constituency were, I think, more than happy to have me here.
Your mother has represented this constituency, your father's represented this constituency. Why you? Why not your mother? Because your father is in jail, but why not your mother?
Yeah, why? I thought that my mother is gonna come. चच्चा चल गए ना। I really thought that my mother is gonna come, but
you thought your mother is going to contest?
Yeah. I came to help her.
You came to help her?
I did not come to fight election at all.
Then?
So as I said, suddenly my name was brought up, and everything, you know.
But how was it sudden? Why not your mother? Why was it that you were chosen over your mother?
How can I say that? Ask the people who chose me, right?
Was your mother agreeable to you fighting this election and not her?
See, our aim is to fight election and help as a social person. So, why is it a problem for a mother?
She is fine that you're... Because usually we've seen she's the one who's taken on when your father's not been around to fight.
Yeah. So as a mother, she did everything. Lalten chhap. So as a mother, she has done everything. And मेरे लिए आया तो उन्होंने कुछ कहा नहीं as such. She was okay. बात एक है ना कि is she just gonna back out because कि उन्होंने contest नहीं किया कि वो help नहीं करेंगे? ऐसा नहीं होता है. मेरी मम्मी जब नहीं भी जीती, मेरे पापा मम्मी जब नहीं भी थे, तो भी तो वो लोगों की मदद कर रहे थे ना. Point is to help people.
Shivani, you are you've studied in the College of Leeds.
लालटेन छाप, ध्यान रखिएगा.
You're like I said, you have graduated from the Leeds University. You have been, I think you've studied law in Pune. You are
Pune? No.
Have you?
Bangalore.
Bangalore, okay. So you've studied law in Bangalore. You are a DPS RK Puram product, right?
Yeah.
So with all of that,
लालटेन छाप.
from what you represent in that other life and today where you are, taking on the legacy of your father, who in local parlance is known as a Don and a Bahubali. How do you reflect on that? You must be asked this question a lot of
I don't think
times.
it's a legacy. Legacy होता है जो बिना breakage के pass down हो, right?
हाँ.
तो मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं है. लालटेन छाप, आशीर्वाद दे भाई. मेरे मॉम डैड के साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि ये बिना ब्रेक के पास डाउन हुआ है. मेरे मम्मी पापा लास्ट 2 टर्म से नहीं थे, तो लेगेसी तो नहीं है.
Yeah, let me ask that question again and rephrase that question, Shivani.
Yes.
The fact is, the legacy I'm talking of is not so much the legacy of inheriting a political legacy, but also taking forward a legacy which, like I said in local parlance, is the Bahubali legacy, the
मैं
local Don
बाहुबली
legacy.
लेके चल रही हूँ आगे. तो बाहुबली से आपका मतलब पहले क्या है ये बताओ.
What is the local parlance of Bahubali?
You
Where
tell
you
me.
say,
If I start telling you the local understanding of Bahubali, which I think everybody standing here with me are gonna agree with me, is that Bahubali, one can only become Bahubali when people are there with that person with all their strength. And if that makes any person a Bahubali, then, and if I am taking that legacy, then I'm proud to have that. Because I am with all these people and they are with me. They have their strength with me.
there are criminal cases. Your father's right now in prison on a murder charge. Your family, your uncles have been associated with criminal charges all through their course of the times. Somebody, like I said, who's led a very sheltered, very different life, to embrace this life.
Lalten chap. Huh?
To embrace this life. Do you not see a dichotomy? And own it.
Ma'am, please come again. I'm very sorry.
No
I lost
problem.
you.
I will, no. What I'm saying is that when you talk about Bahubali, right? It's your father has criminal cases. He's right now in jail on a murder charge. Your uncles had criminal cases. There is a past that is attached to your family name. You have led a sheltered life. You've been in, like I said, in Delhi, DPS, RK Puram, University of Leeds. How do you marry the two? How do you make sense of this and then taking this forward?
Ma'am, criminal background अगर उन लोग का है तो वो उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर छाया नहीं आने दिया. So they have not let that shadow even take even an inch of my shadow.
Your father.
Yeah. So they haven't done that.
But you're fighting Shivani. You're being introduced as Shivani Shukla, Munna Shukla ki beti.
So that I am, right?
Exactly.
My father is Munna Shukla.
Exactly.
So who are they going to say my name for? So your father's friends, right? They must know you by your dad's name because they know your dad first. Similarly, here people know my dad first. So they introduce me, Munna Shukla ki beti.
No, I get what you're saying, but are you getting what I'm saying, Shivani? What I'm trying to say is, or I'm asking you, is you're saying that even if there was a criminal past, that shadow has never come close to you or touched you. But you've been given a ticket only on account of what your father stood for, which is the local Bahubali. You can call it the local Don in this area. So that's on the virtue of that.
I'll correct you here. आपने बोला कि मेरे को मेरे पापा के नाम के वजह से टिकट मिला है. No doubt.
हाँ.
उन्हीं के नाम की वजह से टिकट मिला है. ठीक है. सेकेंडली, टिकट इसलिए मिला है मेरे पापा का नाम की वजह से इसलिए मिला क्योंकि मेरे पापा ने 3 बार कंटेस्ट करके खुद सीट सिक्योर किया है. एक बार मेरे माँ ने कंटेस्ट करके उन्होंने सीट सिक्योर किया.
Fair point.
So they have a good political background with them. ठीक है, इसके वजह से उस बैकग्राउंड के बेसिस पे मुझे मिला, इस बैकग्राउंड के बेसिस पे नहीं कि वो डॉन थे, या और एक तो आप कहते हो वो डॉन है, मैं तो मानती भी नहीं कि मेरे पापा डॉन है।
बाहुबली मानते हो?
जन का स्ट्रेंथ उनके साथ है तो वो बाहुबली है और वो रहेंगे और वो हमेशा रहने चाहिए। आई लव माई डैड एंड ही हैज टू बी अ बाहुबली बिकॉज पीपल लव हिम, ठीक है?
How does it make it all right? How does it make it all right?
How am I
if
saying that it makes it all right? I'm just saying that Bahubali only originated because people are with him. I'm not saying anything. You said
Okay.
you are romanticizing Bahubali. I am stating the facts about Bahubali. How did Bahubali came into an existence? I'm stating that.
Shivani, the meaning of a Bahubali would be a local strong man, a muscle man. You said you are calling him a don, but somebody who's used criminal means. Yeah, so I'll just take last 3 questions, Shivani, with you, which is, one. No problem. So no, that's the definition, Shivani. You know what the definition is of a local don. What is a Bahubali? You know that.
Local don. Okay.
It is, no? No?
I am not saying anything. You are saying everything.
I'm not. Okay, so
I am listening to you. I'll say when I say.
say.
What?
You know what it means. So
I know. I
so
told
there's
you
no
what
point
I mean.
romanticizing what it is. It is for what it is. That is.
You think I'm romanticizing? According to me, that's the valid answer.
Okay. No, fair enough. That's your answer. I get that. Okay. So, if you do win this seat, what is it that you're going to do differently than your dad, than your father?
Differently? Actually, I haven't compared right now, and so I can't say it differently. But what I do want to do is that एक चीज मैंने notice की है that is missing in educational aspect here is that there should be some educational consultancies which can actually guide students as to what to study, what they want to be, or what they can be. Okay? Because not everybody has money, financial means to meet the ends, right? But many wants to study. So,
Education is what you'd want to stress on.
Sorry?
Education is what you'd want to stress on.
Yeah, I definitely want to stress on it because if people do get education, then it will be very much helpful for them to get the financial stability, to get a fair understanding of the society as a person and how it can grow, especially taking everyone together with themselves.
Okay. Final question. Do you regret your past, Shivani?
Do I regret my past?
Yes, with your father's Bahubali legacy. Do you regret it? I'm asking you.
Oh, man.
Like I said, you're from DPS. You're from, like I said, you've seen the world.
Why should I regret anything?
You don't?
Why?
I'm asking you.
No, why? I mean, I'm really telling you, why should I regret it? My dad is a fair person. You and many other people who don't know my dad personally cannot say what he is and what he is not. I know my dad.
I only look at the news report.
Exactly.
Yeah, I only look at the news report. And when you look at that...
See, ma'am, again, can you say that everybody is getting justice? Can you say that with 100% thing that everybody in India is getting justice?
Of course they're not. What's the comparison?
Exactly.
But what's the comparison between your father and everyone getting justice?
Okay, that's the point. That every news cannot be right now. You cannot be saying that 100% is right. There are manipulations, which is very much true, which is going on and very much
So you're saying he's
prevailing.
been misrepresented?
Yes, ma'am. And
but you own the title of Bahubali. You say there's nothing wrong with that. Understanding what the connotation of
ma'am,
that
again,
is.
you are making two different things coming together and aligning them to make it seem that it's one line, but it is not. It's two lines, maybe walking parallelly, but it is not one line. Do not do that, ma'am. I'm being very clear to that. Bahubali is different aspect.
Okay,
And
and-
getting justice is different aspect, ma'am.
Okay, so you own that part as well. And you want justice for your father, who
Why
you think
not?
is being maligned. That's
Yes,
what it
ma'am.
is. That's what I'm saying.
Ma'am, very clearly. I'll just again I am very much sure you are a reporter. You must read news way too much, more than me. So, ma'am, you must have heard me saying somewhere that in my dad's case, there are a few aspects which I would like to very much point out to you right now again. Have you ever heard in one case there are 2 FIRs?
So you're saying there are a lot of
Again,
anomalies.
I'll tell you all the 3 points. Just answer me one yes or no. Have you?
There are 2 FIRs in a particular case.
Yeah. Have you
So
heard
there
this?
has to be one, no?
Yeah. Secondly, if somebody, some witness is saying that I was given 5 blank pages and I was asked to sign on it, and I do not know what is written in it, and still those statements are being accepted. Do you think those statements by him, which is apparently not by him, and as very well stated by him himself, can those statements be accepted?
So that veracity needs to be checked, whether the
Exactly.
witness, whether
Again,
that witness was under pressure or
Very,
coerced.
very right. Very
to
right.
say
very
what
much
he is
right,
saying
ma'am.
right now.
We did contend with that. Not accepted from our side, but
Okay.
it was accepted.
But Shivani, I understand you have a problem with this current case, but the word of Bahubali, the word of Don
Ma'am-
doesn't rest on one case. It rests on a legion and a legacy, which you yourself said that the criminality hasn't touched you, but it was there.
मैम अगेन बाहुबली क्रिमिनल होने की वजह से नहीं आया. अगर आप लोग इतना ही टैग लगाना चाहते हैं मेरे पापा के ऊपर कि वो क्रिमिनल है, तो भी मैं यही बोलूंगी कि उस एस्पेक्ट की वजह से मेरे पापा के ऊपर बाहुबली का टैग नहीं लगा. वो इसलिए लगा क्योंकि उनके पास जनता का प्यार था.
And you think you're going to reap the benefits of that this election?
Reap the benefits.
Benefits of that?
Definitely. अरे
You're fighting against a
I do
sitting
not- I
incumbent
did-
BJP
Ma'am,
MLA.
very clearly saying, I did not know this uncle. But this uncle has been with my father for a very long time. And he has come back to me. Beta,
I'm a little
I want to
scared.
be with you. Beta, I want to be with you.
Okay.
I want to support you. I'm your father. So if I am reaping a benefit of his hard work, then yes, in form of him, I am. And I'm very proud of it.
Okay.
I hope and I bless every daughter on this earth to have a father like me.
All right, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of To The Point, where we continue to get you the latest coming in from Bihar. For now, it's goodbye.